guys, I am Debbie
and I am Gabby.
Welcome to Sharon Kids. Today we'll be seeing about the solar system in the form of dual-sided puzzle. Here in this kit we have dual-sided puzzle pieces, some planet pieces, and we also have alien friends who will help us learn about each planet in the solar system, including the sun. We also have planets, their facts, and space exploration. Let's get started.
Now let's fix the dual-sided puzzle pieces.
Here we go. The puzzle pieces are fixed. Now let's fix the planet pieces in their respective places. The solar system is ready. Now we are going to learn the facts regarding each planet of the solar system, including the sun, with the help of our alien friends. This is our alien friend named Joe. He will help us explore the huge star of the solar system named the sun. It is the largest object of the solar system. It appears white in color. It has 0 moons as it is a star of the solar system. It takes 24.5 Earth days to rotate, and it takes 250 million Earth years to orbit the galaxy. The surface of the sun has sunspots, and it is a hot ball of glowing gases. Also, it is 4.6 billion years old.
Now let's jump to planet Mercury.
The alien friend who is going to help us explore Mercury is named as Kai. The size of the Mercury planet is smallest of the solar system. It appears gray in color. It has 0 moons. It takes 59 Earth days to rotate, and it also takes 88 Earth days to revolve around the sun. It has the most craters of all planets. It is also the smallest terrestrial planet of the solar system, and it has extreme temperature changes.
Now let's explore Venus, which is the hottest planet in the solar system.
Our friend named Oli will help us explore Venus. It is the third smallest planet of the solar system. It appears orangish brown in color. It has 0 moons, and it also takes 243 Earth days to rotate, and it also takes 225 Earth days to revolve around the sun. It is the hottest and brightest planet of the solar system. It is one of the terrestrial planets, and it also has active volcanoes inside the planet.
Now let's go to our favorite planet, Earth.
Our friend named Maggie will help us explore Earth. It is the 4th smallest planet of the solar system. It appears blue in color. It has 1 moon, and it takes 24 Earth hours to rotate, and it also takes 365 Earth days to revolve around the sun. 71% covered with water. It is the biggest terrestrial planet of the solar system, and it is the only planet to support life.
Now let's jump on to Mars.
Our alien friend named Ash will help us explore Mars. It is the 2nd smallest planet of the solar system. It appears red in color. It has 2 moons, and it takes 25 Earth hours to rotate, and it also takes 687 Earth days to revolve around the sun. It has the highest mountain, and it is also a terrestrial planet of the solar system, and it also has blue sunsets.
Now let's go to our biggest planet, Jupiter.
Our alien friend named Zom will help us explore Jupiter. It is the biggest planet of our solar system. It appears yellowish orange in color. It has 79 moons in total, and it also takes 10 Earth hours to rotate, and it also takes 12 Earth years to revolve around the sun. It has 4 ring sets around it. It is the biggest gas giant of our solar system, and it also has the great red spot on it.
Now let's jump on to Saturn.
Our alien friend named Yo will help us explore Saturn. It is the second biggest planet of our solar system. It appears yellowish brown in color. It has 53 moons in total, and it takes 11 Earth hours to rotate, and it also takes 29 Earth years to revolve around the sun. It has 7 known rings around it. It is the smallest gas giant of our solar system, and it also floats in water.
Let's explore Uranus.
Our alien friend named Ray will help us explore Uranus. It is the third biggest planet of our solar system. It appears bluish green in color. It has 27 moons on total, and it takes 17 Earth hours, and it also takes 84 Earth years to revolve around the sun. It has 2 ring sets around it. It is the biggest ice giant of our solar system, and it also spins on its side.
Let's explore Neptune.
Our alien friend named Zim will help us explore Neptune. It is the fourth biggest planet of our solar system. It appears blue in color. It has 14 moons in total, and it also takes 16 Earth hours to rotate, and it also takes 165 Earth years to revolve around the sun. It has 5 rings around it, and it is also the smallest ice giant in the solar system. It is the coldest and windiest planet of the solar system. To be mentioned, Pluto is one of the dwarf planets of our solar system, so it is not considered under the 8 planets of our solar system. Also, an international space station between the planets Venus and our planet Earth. It is the place where astronauts come and rest their cells.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video.
Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye!